Hey you guys, I'm excited to bring you this KWIKSET Security Series interior privacy locking knob. It's easy to install. This one here is Polo and it's satin nickel. So it locks from one side and not the other. All right, here's everything that came in the box. Here's a look at the knob. That's gonna be the outside. And then here's the inside. There's that piece too. Got the installation screws, new strike plate if you need it. This here will be for opening this up from the other side if you need to. And then here's for your strike plate, and then this if you need it. All right, here's where it's gonna go. Put this thing in. It's gonna go just like this. Sit down right in here. Put these screws in here. I'm gonna take this and pull it apart. And this is gonna go through here. Like that. Now here's the outside of it, so we're just going to get the screws to line up with the holes to line up, and then we'll put the screws in there. I'm just going to tighten these down with a cordless drill. Got those screws tight. Works great, got good snapback. All right, thank you for watching, everybody.